Let's first start printing with hello world. Hello world. See, it's worked fine. You can also get the string in a single quotes like this. By default, it prints also prints on a next line. So to see this, let's print a new hello world command. You will see here the next command printed in the next line. That means the print command by default prints a new line by itself. Now if you want to print it in the same line, you have to pass the end parameter with the empty string hello world comma end parameter an empty string. Now you have to print a hello world. Sorry. Hello world. Here we go. See now both the cameras printing the same line. Thank you.